last dream. France, England. Broken arm, wounded pride, still we're standing side by side. Through the ashes, through the rain, every scar becomes our flame. Crowds are calling, hearts ignite. One more chance beneath the lights. Raise your banner to the sky. Never let your spirit die. Every heartbeat leads the way. This is our defining day. France, rise again from yesterday. England, fight until the final play. No surrender, no retreat. Every heartbeat fuels the beat. Tonight we're chasing history, running toward our destiny. Bronze forever, we believe. Higher, higher. France, England. Feel the fire, feel the power. Every pass and every run, underneath the burning sun. Every moment, every roar, fighting harder than before. Dreams are written in the air. Champions rise because they dare. Raise your voices, raise them high. Touch the stars across the sky. No more fear, no more pain. We will never fall again. Blue hearts burning, lions roaring. One more battle, one more chance. Everybody, raise your hands. We are stronger. We are louder. We are never backing down. When the whistle ends the night, heroes shine beyond the light. Win or lose, we'll always stand together strong, hand in hand.